right, hey everybody, let's review how to do a coil. So first you want to roll it between your hands, your palms like so, and just kind of get it started. And then when you lay it on your table, not on your canvas, you want to roll using the palm of your hand, setting your other tools aside. Remember, you're not just going up and down, you're also pushing out towards the side. So see how my hand is moving? So as I push, I also go to the side. And that is what's going to stretch your coil out. That's what's going to get that length that you want. Making sure you're trying to keep consistency throughout your coil. So it should all be a relatively the same thickness throughout the entire piece. I'm going to cut off these skinnier edges. And so there's my coil, same thickness all the way around. When we add our next coil, we want to make sure that we're adding on the perimeter, the very outside of our structure. I talked briefly about scoring. Which is to create these little hatches in your clay where you're going to connect some pieces together. All right, taking your coil, getting it nice and wet again. I'm going to place it on the very edge, and then I'm holding the coil with one hand and then pressing down with the other. Work my way around in a circle. All right, I'm going to start adding some design elements to my piece. I have it built up pretty high. I went fairly quickly, but you can see that they're all really well connected. Give it a little tug test, make sure it's really well connected. It's not going anywhere. All right, and now for your designs, think about that worksheet that I gave you. So there's different types of coils. Add some kind of a design element to your piece. I'm going to do something simple. I'm just going to do the folds. And I am going to do the folds all the way around. I've made it all the way across. I definitely built this pretty quickly, so it's very, very soft. So you're just going to be very careful when you're handling it. And the last thing I might add would maybe be another coil up on the top. Some other fun little things you can do. You can make like little spheres, and you can put them in some of those negative spaces, maybe making a pattern. So maybe I have like a little sphere maybe inside one of these, maybe just on the bottom ones, or maybe I kind of like it going back and forth. I do like having this negative space, kind of the openings in there. Create these little discs. Maybe just kind of zigzag those around. Lots of different things that you can do in order to add a design element to these. I'd also definitely smooth out my coils a little bit more, but essentially you're trying to add about 3 or 4 layers of coils, then do a design element and end with a coil. All right, excited to see what you make. Let's get started.